Welcome to my channel. My name is Jill. I do style and beauty content. Today I'm going to show you this very effortless, easy way to get beachy waves on short hair or a long bob. This doesn't take me long at all, max 10 minutes. And I like that it looks very undone, quite natural, but obviously way nicer than what my hair looks like when it's air dry, which is where we'll start. I will have all of my jewelry linked in the description box. I do also have a everyday makeup tutorial video, so I will link that as well in case you're interested. And okay, let's get started. Okay, this is what my hair looks like after air drying it. In the shower, I used shampoo and conditioner. For drugstore hair care, I really like Hair Food and Nexus. I use the Nexus like volumizing shampoo and conditioner. For more luxury, I like Oribe. I put some product in there, just like scrunched it. I'm still working out how to kind of let my hair air dry properly, but I just want like some texture, and then I'll go in with my curling iron, but hopefully I'm gonna get better than this, because this is not the best ever. So for a beachy wave, especially on a bob, I really like to make sure that the bottom part of my hair is straight. Looks much more beachy that way. So I'm just gonna use a straightener. I have the Dyson one here. I also really like the EXO styling iron, which is much more affordable, but I'll go in and just straighten the ends like this. And on days when I kind of want more casual, quick look, I'll actually just do this and then like leave the rest. I don't know, I like kind of like a messy look these days, one that doesn't look too perfect. And I like my little cowlicks now. It's true what they say about getting older, you really start to like yourself a lot more. And I just like this bottom part not to like flip under or anything. I really like a waver like this that's just a barrel. This is the T3. They sent over like the wave set. So this is like the best idea ever, where you get a bunch of barrels and you can just interchange them. And so I have this waver one. I have an actual curling iron with a clip in different sizes. Like, it's amazing. But I haven't figured out how to use the clip very well. You know how hairstylists do it and then they like flip it down, and then like I can't, it just doesn't work. I'm terrible at it. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna use this. I like to go away from my face for the first few strands and not hold it for too long, and then just pull it down because I don't like it to be too curly. And then for my front, I'll go like that, because then you get the curl right by your cheekbone. I don't know. I don't like it to look too done. So then I'll do the opposite way. I feel like none of this makes any sense the way that I'm doing this. Like, I could have just clipped it up and done like one layer, but I'm doing the top layer first. I don't know. This is just how I do it. You know, when something just like makes sense in your head, and then when you see it in person, you're like, what am I doing? So the front bit's just away from my face, and then I go the other way toward my face. It's actually quite fast. Over direct, that's the word I'm looking for. Over directing here, just so that it kind of, oops, did I do that the wrong way? I fully did that the wrong way. Over direct this way. There we go. That doesn't look anything like the other side. You guys are like, I thought I was watching a hair tutorial, not somebody who has no idea what they're doing. This is just how I do it. Good luck. I'm gonna have to redo that front piece, I think. Just is a little bit too low. See the curl part? I want to be up here, like this side. Does that make sense? It just makes your cheekbones look higher, and it's not bad. And then the back is kind of a free-for-all. I don't have a mirror where I can see the back of my hair, which is probably not the best. So I just kind of do it and hope it works out for the best, which I don't know if that's the best way to do this. I don't know, you just do some random curls. These are different heights and I need to fix them. I like this side better. Okay, I just wet and dried this piece because sometimes when you go over it with a curling iron, it like won't bounce back. Do you guys ever have that issue? It's really annoying. I'm just gonna overextend. Hope this works out. Oh, that's pretty good. It's not my best work, but it'll work. There we go, that's pretty good. It's way too curly, but it'll fall out, and I'm gonna go over it with a straightener. So once it's cooled, you can spray some hairspray in it. This is one I just have on hand right now. This is the Elle Net by L'Oreal. And then I'll wait for that to dry, and then I'll brush it through. I'll just kind of brush it through with my hands. I like to go from underneath so you don't get rid of all the wave. And then if there's any that kind of are a little bit too wavy, my Dyson just died, so now I have my other one. This is the EXO straightening iron. I'll just go like this over to make them a little bit looser and more natural looking, and sometimes I'll just go over the ends again. That's basically it. It takes me like 10 minutes, if that. See, this one is a little bit too perfect for my taste. You almost like don't even want it to be a wave, you want it to be like a bend. I do have a lot of TikToks about my hair, like who cuts my hair, colors my hair, and then there is a video of him styling and kind of how he gets that look as well. So I'll link those in the description box. That is basically it. That's the finished look. Pretty undone. And then I'm gonna go in with a texture spray. This is the AG Care Tousled Texture. I don't like to do too much, but I like to just give my hair a bit of lift, I guess. That's pretty good. It's not a bad hair day today. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any tips for like air drying and trying to get kind of shorter hair, wavy or curly, because I can't do the bowl method because my hair is just too short and it's quite thin. So I kind of don't really have enough to make like big clumps. So I have to go like this and scrunch it, but it doesn't always work. Anyways, if you have any tips on that, please let me know below if you have any questions as well. And I hope that this was helpful. I guess I should show you the back. I don't even know what the back looks like, to be honest. Okay, thanks for watching.